Renting or buying used equipment can cut major costs on a home construction project while keeping work on schedule. Focus first on matching the tool to the task and the expected usage hours so you do not overspend on capacity you will not need. When renting heavy machinery by the day or week, calculate the total rental days including delays and set a daily mileage or hour cap to avoid surprise fees. For purchases, prioritize durable, high-wear items like compressors and circular saws, and inspect seals, bearings, and electrical components. Ask for a short test run and any maintenance records if available. Join or form a local tool cooperative so members share ownership and maintenance costs, and keep a simple log for bookings and responsible parties. Share tools across trades on site with a clear schedule and basic rules for cleaning and fueling to reduce downtime and disputes. Negotiate rental bundles that include transport and basic servicing to lower per-day rates and reduce coordination work. Common mistakes include choosing equipment that is either overpowered or underpowered for the job, which wastes money or slows progress. Solve this by estimating peak and average loads and selecting a machine rated for the average plus a small margin. Another frequent issue is neglecting inspection, which leads to breakdowns on site. Avoid this by following a short pre-use checklist: fluids, filters, hoses, cords, and test operation. A third concern is poor coordination between crews, causing duplicated rentals or idle tools. Fix this by creating a shared calendar, assigning a tool steward, and agreeing on basic usage rules before work starts. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and also helps contractors find work by connecting both sides through project posts and contractor profiles. We host a discussion community where members swap tips on used equipment, rental strategies, and local tool sharing opportunities.